Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial series. We are studying Python data structure list, and in today's video we will see reverse method available for the list data structure. Reverse method reverse the order of element present inside the list. The first element becomes the last element, second element becomes the second last element, so on till all the elements are rearranged inside the list. It is different than sorting, where you are arranging the element from highest to smallest or smallest to highest. It's just reversing the order. First index element becomes the last index element, second index element becomes the second last index element, no matter what is the type of the element available inside the list. Let's check it by example. First we create a list which is containing integer, so that we see that it is not sorting, it is only reversing. 150 to 100. We are creating a list by opening and closing square bracket containing integer elements. Run the cell. Check the method available for this list L. We write dir L and shift enter. It will show all the methods available. You can see it has a method available called as reverse. We check the information regarding reverse method. We write L dot reverse question mark reverse question mark. You see the information regarding reverse method. It does not take any argument in the signature. It does not have any parameter. Reverse in place means changes will be reflected in the original list. It is built-in function or method. Close the cell. Run the cell on the original list. L dot reverse opening and closing square parenthesis. Run the cell. Okay, cell has executed successfully, means your list has reverse. Let's check the output. You can see the first element became the last element. 10, which was first, became the last. 20, which was second, becomes the second last. It doesn't matter what is the data type in the list, it will be reversed. Suppose we create the list containing different elements. First element is a sublist containing two elements 10, 20. Second element is a string C. Third element is a float 2.5. Fourth element is a integer 1. Fifth element is again a string Python 3. Now we run the reverse method on this list. We have to write L2 dot reverse. We don't return any value. Automatically the list is updated at its place. Click on the cell, run the cell. It has executed successfully. We print the value of L2 and see at the output your last element becomes the first element, second last element become the second element, means it reversed the order of the list. That's it about the list method of the Python list data structure. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do hit the subscribe button for more such technical content. See you in the next video.